Hi, my name's Peter, and this is a day in my life in the warehouse. So a typical day starts at 8 a.m. for the material handlers in the warehouse. What we do is we support production with any needs they may have by sending materials and chemicals up to production, as well as taking finished product down from production to the warehouse. What made me apply is the company is local, so it is easier for my family and myself. Also, something else that stood out to me is it's a company that is set out to helping people with the products that they create, and that's something that really sat with me. The way I describe Septodont is it's a company that really values its employees as much as it does its customers. It really invests in them. I've felt very welcoming here. I've felt like they've invested a lot in me. The benefits that I use at Septodont the most would be dental for myself and my family, as well as the massage therapy that my wife and I take advantage of. So I had a former colleague that I had worked with, and there was a current opening in my department. I told her that she should apply because of how much I enjoy this position. I love where I work, I love the company, and I wanted her to share the experience as well. My relationship with my colleagues is one of my favorite parts about working here. We're always looking out for each other. We're like a family, tight-knit group, and we are always able to really rely on each other for support. In 5 years, I see myself growing within the company, gaining as much knowledge as I can to become a vital role in the organization. I love my department. I'd love to grow within it and really focus on supporting and helping the team around me grow as well.